pipeline explosion in the county. What should people plant to detox the soil? Because she was saying they actually had to evacuate because of the fumes, etc. Well, that's going to come out of the air. And she wants to know what she can do to help to detoxify that soil, plants, biology.
Here's a simple solution. Whatever weed wants to grow, let it. Mother Nature's already on the job. Over here where we have the Pacific Palisades and they're burned down, you'd be surprised at what's coming up, and the stupid people are pulling them up. We have to detox the soil. Well, guess what's happening right now? Those weeds are detoxing the soil.
Now, how about in her garden? Because she's got a bunch of raised beds and stuff. What do you think would be something quick and efficient? And I would say, spray it with a whole bunch of biology. That's going to break everything down on a molecular level, and it's going to clean things up.
So if in a raised bed, if you have a garden in a raised bed, one of the things advantages to doing a raised bed is that you can rotate the soil. So if you have like 4 raised beds, one of them you either take the soil out, compost the whole thing, and put it back in again. That's the fastest way to clean the toxicity there, because you can just literally replace the soil, run it through your compost system. The best way to detoxify stuff is have more biology available, more and more and more. We call it more roots in the ground. So you want to everything that wants to grow, let it grow, but you need to have a good source of compost.